Good morning, children. Welcome to the online classes. Yesterday we completed exercise 10.5 up to 5th problem. Now I am going to explain 6th problem. It is given that ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral whose diagonals intersect at a point E. If angle DBC equal to 70 degrees, BAC equal to 30 degrees, find BCD. Further, if AB equal to BC, then find ECD. So ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. First read the problem carefully. So ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So here cyclic quadrilateral means a quadrilateral, all vertices lie on the circle. So here this is the ABCD. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So this is a cyclic quadrilateral. This is a cyclic quadrilateral. And also given that the diagonals are intersect at point P. So what are the diagonals here? AC and BD. These two diagonals are intersect at E. So here DB and AC, this intersect point E. This is the intersect point E. And also given that angle DBC equal to 70 degrees. This is the given 70 degrees. Yes. And also angle BAC equal to 30 degrees. So it is the BAC. So it is 30 degrees. This is 30 degrees. So this is the given information. So you need to find BCD. Further AB equal to BC. Find ECD. First of all, you have to write the given. What is the given here? Given angle DBC equal to 70 degrees. Angle DBC equal to 70 degrees. And also angle BAC equal to 30 degrees. And BAC equal to 30 degrees. So we have to find angle BCD, and also given that AB equal to BC, then find angle ECD. So this is the given information. So first to find BCD. So how to find BCD? So you have to find this angle. This is the BCD. So here observe the cyclic quadrilateral. This is the curve BC. So here angle BAC and BDC. Angle BAC and angle BDC so equal. So these two angles are angles in the same segment of a circle. So here angle BAC equal to angle BDC. So here this angle equal to this angle. So angles in the same segment of a circles are equal. Angle BAC equal to angle BDC. So what is the reason here? Angles in the angles in same segment of a circle are equal. This is the same segment, angles are equal. So angle BAC equal to 30 degrees, then angle BDC also 30 degrees. So therefore here this is 30 degrees, this is equal to angle BDC. Therefore angle BDC equal to 30 degrees. Angle BDC equal to 30 degrees. So first one is completed. So angle BDC, this is the angle BDC is completed. So what is the find the angle BCD? So how to find the angle BCD? So in triangle BCD, so triangle BCD, in triangle BCD, so here angle BCD, this is the triangle BCD. In this triangle, angle BCD and angle DBC plus angle BDC equal to 180 degrees. So this is the reason is angle sum property of a triangle. So here angle BDC is angle DCB, so or BCD, angle DCB or BCD. First angle is one, and angle DBC. So these three angles sum is 180 degrees. That is reason angle sum property. Angle sum property in a triangle. So here BCD, this angle, DBC, this angle, and BDC equal to and BCD equal to this angle. So we need to find the angle BDC. So angle BCD equal to, I don't know this value, you have to write angle BCD plus angle DBC, this is 70 degrees, plus angle BDC equal to 30 degrees, equal to 180 degrees. This sum equal to 100 degrees. Angle BCD plus 100 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Therefore here angle BCD equal to 180 minus 100. So angle BCD equal to 100 degrees, and angle BCD equal to 100 degrees. This is the angle sum property. In BCD, we need to find BCD. We don't know this value. This value equal to 70 degrees. This value 30 degrees. This sum equal to 100. Angle BCD plus 100 equal to 180 degrees. Angle BCD equal to 180 minus 100. So angle BCD equal to 100 degrees. Angle BCD equal to 100 degrees. The next BCD equal to 80 degrees. So you get next AB equal to BC. AB equal to BC. So here AB. So here this is the AB equal to BC. So AB opposite angle is angle BA, angle BCA. So here angle BCA equal to AB opposite side angle is angle BCA equal to, so here BC opposite angle is angle BAC. Angle BAC. So you know that angle BAC equal to 30 degrees. Angle BAC equal to 30 degrees. So here angle BAC equal to 30 degrees. Angle BCA equal to BCA equal to 30 degrees. Angle BCA equal to 30 degrees. So here angle BCA equal to 30 degrees. So we need to find ECD. So here angle BCA equal to 30 degrees. Then angle ECD equal to this angle. Angle ECD equal to angle BCD minus angle BCD. So this complete angle. So here we need to this angle. Angle ECD equal to so here angle BCD minus angle BCA. So we know that angle BCA equal to 30 degrees. So here angle ECD equal to BCD equal to 80 degrees minus 30 degrees. So here angle ECD equal to 50 degrees. So here you have to write here here both sides are these two sides are equal. So angle BCA equal to angle BAC. So here opposite angles to the equal side. So opposite angles to the equal sides are equal. Otherwise you have to write opposite angles of equal sides. So otherwise you have to write here. So opposite angles of equal sides. So ECD equal to 50 degrees. So this is the solution of question number 6. Next one, 7th one. If the diagonals of a cyclic quadrilateral are diameters of the circle through the vertices of a quadrilateral, prove that it is a rectangle. So here it is a cyclic quadrilateral. So here this is the center. This is the cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. So here the diagonals of cyclic quadrilateral is diameters. So here this is the diameter of a circle. AC also diagonal and also diameter. So here it is given that to prove that it is a rectangle. So how to find? So it is given solution. First of all, so ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So here this is the diagonal. So this is the angle. So here diagonal passing through the center of the circle. It is a semicircle. So here ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral and diagonals AC and BD are diameters. So then here, observe here, this is the semicircle, this is the angle B. So here this is the diameter, this is the one diagonal. So diameter divide the circle two equal parts, two semicircles. So this is the angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. So AC divide the two semicircles, angle ABC and angle ADC. These two are 90 degrees. And BD also diameter. So BD divides the two semicircles, angle BAD, angle BCD. So these two angles also 90 degrees. So angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. So here therefore angle ABC equal to angle BCD equal to angle CDA equal to angle BAD. Angle BAD. So here all are 90 degrees. All are 90 degrees. So here all angles are 90 degrees. All angles are 90 degrees. So we need to prove opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. So you need to prove here in triangle ADC and triangle BDC. So triangle ADC and triangle BDC. Take these two triangles. So here triangle ADC means this triangle ADC and triangle BDC means this triangle. In these two triangles here CD and DC both are common. Here CD equal to CD, it is common. So here ADC. So here angle ADC means angle ADC equal to 90 degrees. This is the ADC. ADC or CDA both are equal. So here angle ADC or CDA. Angle ADC equal to this is the 90. Angle BCD each 90 degrees. So and also here and ADC AC equal to BD. AC equal to BD. So here diameter of the diameters of a circle. So here this is the right angle hypotenuse side, right angle hypotenuse side. So here right angle hypotenuse side. So here therefore triangle ADC therefore triangle ADC is congruent to triangle BDC. So what is the rule congruent to RHS? So these two triangles are congruent, then AD equal to BC, then AD equal to BC. So AD equal to BC, the region is CPCT, the region is CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So here CD equal to CD common and ADC equal to angle BCD. So each angle is 90 degrees. Here AC equal to BD, diameters of circle. So therefore triangle ADC is congruent to triangle BDC. Therefore AD equal to BC, CPCT. So here AD equal to BC, one opposite sides are equal. We need to prove other pair of opposites are also equal. The next, take the triangle ABC and DBC. So here ABC, this triangle ABC and DBC, and also this one angle DBC. In these two triangles, BC equal to BC, BC equal to BC, it is common. It is common side. ABC. So angle ABC equal to 90 degrees. Angle ABC equal to angle DBC. Angle DBC means this angle. Angle BCD equal to angle BCD equal to each 90 degrees. And also here, so ABC and DBC. So here DB equal to ABC, this triangle ABC. AC equal to BD. AC equal to BD. So here diameters are equal given. Diameter of a circles. Diameter of a circle. So here this is the right angle hypotenuse, right angle and hypotenuse side. So here, so therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DBC. Triangle DBC. These two triangles are congruent. AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. CBCD. This is the RHS congruency rule. RHS congruency rule. So here BC equal to BC common, angle ABC equal to angle BCD is 90 degrees. AC equal to diameter of circle. So triangle ABC is common triangle DBC. AB equal to CD. So here AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. So previously proved here AD equal to BC and AB equal to CD. These two opposite sides are equal and also all angles are 90 degrees. So in a quadrilateral, opposite sides are equal and all angles are 90 degrees. So then it is a rectangle. So therefore it is a rectangle. Today homework is you have to practice 5th and 6th problem. 5th and 6th problem practice 2 times. If you have any doubts, send me WhatsApp. Okay, thank you children. We meet next session. Thank you.